Secondly, you said this because of the fact that you will not get an inheritance from your father because you are a lady, that you don't do things for your father and your father is not happy with you. I want to tell you that is a very big error. Yes, on your side, assuming you are capable to do something for your father, and you now say because you will not have an inheritance from your father that you are not going to do anything for your father. That is very, very wrong, both spiritually and physically. Let me tell you, Jacob, even though he was a man, he did not inherit any tangible thing from his father because he ran away before his father passed on. He ran away from the house. And when his father passed on, he was not there in the house, but there was something that he went out with. He went out with his father's blessing. So what I'm trying to tell you now is, if you are not doing something for your father just because you believe that you will not have an inheritance from him when he passes on, I am telling you that you are missing out on your father's blessing. There are spiritual blessings that are, in fact, spiritual blessings are far greater and far better than physical blessings. Have you not seen somebody who inherited things from his father and at the end of the day he sold off everything and squandered the money? Have you not seen it? But if you have received spiritual blessings, see, when you do something for your father, see, if you have an opportunity to do something for your father and you don't do it, you have lost a blessing. You are losing something. You are losing something that can even make you wealthy. I want you to understand this. I want you to take this correction today. For you not to be doing things for your father, he may not cost you, but you remain costs. Naturally, you remain costs because you have lost so many blessings that you could have gotten from your father, which would have made you wealthy wherever you are. Do you know the reason why some people become vagabonds and will not amount to anything? It could be as a result of a curse that naturally came to them because of this kind of behavior. So Jacob became wealthier, more prominent than Esau. He was coming back home after like some years. He has stayed away from home. When he was coming back full. He was coming back wealthy. He had made wealth in a strange land that he was no longer interested in what is there back home. To the extent that he was bringing gifts to his brother Esau. While he was coming back, he was bringing gifts to Esau. But Esau now said, you can keep what you have because I have enough. You understand? But the point I'm trying to make here is, what made Jacob wealthy and prominent is the blessing he got from his father. Not an inheritance. Not an inheritance at all. Not something tangible. But the blessing transformed to tangible things that cannot be explained. Then, another point I want to raise from here is, you want to marry another tribe. You don't even know their own tradition and custom. You don't even know. You'll be surprised that when you get there, you just wish that you married Igbo. Why? Because you would have seen that they have worse tradition